Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making pork sisig. Sisig is a delicacy that originated from Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines. There are different versions of sisig. Today I will be using pork belly and pig's ears. Let's begin. Add water to a large pot. Season with salt, peppercorns, garlic, and bay leaves. Add your pork belly and pig's ears. Boil at medium-high heat. When it begins to boil, lower temperature to a slow boil and remove the scum. Add extra water if needed. Then boil until pork belly is soft. The pig's ears will take longer to soften, so let them boil for about an hour. Remove pork belly and poke skin with a fork. Season the whole belly with salt. Do the same with pig's ears. We will be using a turbo broiler to cook the belly and ears. You can also use an oven to broil at 450 Fahrenheit until skin is charred for about 15 minutes. Same with pig's ears. Dice a whole medium onion and chili peppers. If you're not into spicy food, you can leave them out. Chop the pork belly and pig's ears into small pieces. Separate the crispy pork skin. Melt butter in a pan. Now add liver spread. Mix until combined. Add soy sauce, then saute for about a minute or so. Add half of your onions and saute until soft. Add your combined pork belly and pig's ears into the pan and mix thoroughly. Add lemon juice. Mix well. Add salt and pepper. You can add chili powder to give it extra kick. Add the remaining onions, then add your peppers. add the crispy pork skin last to retain the crunchiness. You can add this a minute before you turn off the heat. Mash up pork rinds to give an extra layer of crunch. Place your pork sisig in a hot sizzling plate. Goes great with beer. You can also eat it with white rice. I posted the ingredients in the description box. Hope you like watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.